Okay guys, welcome back on my channel, on my desk. So today I wanted to do another video, part of these no cut envelopes. I've done a video a couple of weeks ago, I guess, and you really liked it, so you asked for some more ideas. Right, so I'm playing with my new kit called Autumnal Vibes. It's a brand new kit, of course, good for this time of the year. You get some tags, you get a gift box that does look like that when it's done up, and then we got some background, one with the crowds, one plain, and then you get a page with the a pillow box and a envelope to make some ephemera. Now today I'm going to use those two backgrounds. So let me move this out of the way, and then what I'm going to do, which I forgot to do prior pressing play to film my video, I'm just going to cut this yellow border. So when I print my paper, due to my printer setting, I always get these little border on my papers, and unfortunately I can't change that. So just gonna trim it off, and job done. Perfect, like nothing ever happened. Sorry about the bangs. Right, so let me move because I've got other bits I want to play with. So that's the background. So what I wanted to do, what I wanted to show you, so this is a technique where I'm sure it works with any sizes, but I'm sure it will work with any sizes. So what you do, you simply don't fold the actual paper in half, but we need to make it like the beginning of a paper boat. So when you make your paper boat, that you fold the two corners inwards, but don't press it in the middle, don't press the actual paper. So we just need to get the two triangles done. Okay, so just roughly around that. Okay, and then you score it. Okay, so you get the paper boat, and then you put, so you will put those two sides, so this one here and that one inwards, okay, like this. And again, don't press it yet until you're happy with what the envelope will look like. I think just there, I think that will work. Yeah, so fold. Now I'm gonna finish with my finger there, and then we do the same on the other side. So this is one look. Okay, and what I'm going to do is simply going to put a little bit of adhesive. I'm just using some double-sided tape, which is way too much than I needed. Yeah, just gonna put a little bit here, and then I got my picking tool. Okay, so that will stop there. Okay, so you've got a pocket here. Now you can leave it open, depends what you're going to do with it. You can leave it open if you glue on your journal, or I don't know if you do like a floating pocket, but I suggest you put a closure on the bottom. If it will stand on its own like a floating pocket. So I'm just going to put a little bit more tape in there to seal the bottom completely. Okay, so it's completely up to you what you want to do. What is this envelope designed to do for you? Okay, what usage you will have. So I'm gonna seal mine, and I'm gonna leave it like that. So this is one design where as you can see, there is no cut, there is nothing, just simply fold it. And then of course this is, you know, your envelope. Now you can leave it like that, and I'm going to decorate this in a minute. But before I decorate it, let me show you another version which is exactly the same, but you got this tip. We're going to put it forward, like down like this, so you get like a square. Let me explain. So this is the starting point, so the usual rectangle. So we make the paper boat. So make your paper boat. And don't worry too much if it's not precise. Okay, so paper boat, like that. Now, before we fold the sides, you can fold the top. Okay, so you can put it, you decide where it's gonna go. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so let me show you something. So now we're gonna fold the sides inwards. So you can either do something like that, and you get a perfectly size envelope, the actual envelope shape. But if you do it like that, and then you glue down here, you've got a pocket there and a pocket there. Okay, it depends how you're going to close this envelope. So let me follow the score line there, so we get a perfectly shaped ish envelope. Okay, so as you can see guys, I haven't measured anything. Okay, I just simply folding paper, eyeballing everything. Okay, so you can glue down the sides, and then this will be your top, and that's your envelope. Or you can glue this bit here, which I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. Enjoy the rest of your day or night, depending what time you're watching and where you are in the world. Thank you for your love and support. Honestly, guys, it means the world to me. Mwah! And until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye!